Hey there, how's it going? This is Aaron Martinez here with you, and today I want to show you how to set up Google Webmaster Tools with your WordPress site. And so you might be wondering why you would need to even do this, and really what it comes down to is if you want your website content to be found and indexed on Google, then you're going to want to set this up. This is going to give you so many different access levels to what's going on with your website, as well as just kind of give you, a better picture of what's going on behind the scenes with it. And so it's very, very easy to install, and I'm going to show you how to do it the best way that I know how. There's a lot of different ways, and this one is the one that's just really, really simple. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your WordPress site, you're going to log into it, and you're going to be here at the dashboard. And no matter what themes you're using, no matter what you're doing, your WordPress should essentially look something like this. Okay, so you're on the dashboard, and what you're going to want to do first is go to plugins. So we're going to go to plugins, and the plugin that you're going to download is called Yoast SEO. So just type that in. It's like toast, but with the Y, Yoast SEO. So I've already got it installed, but essentially what you're going to do is you're just going to search for it, and actually what you're going to do is go up here to add new. So if we go to add new, here's where you're going to search Yoast SEO, and then it should find it. It's one of the most popular SEO plugins out there, and so there is a free version, and so all you're going to do here is go to it, and you're going to download it, and then you're going to activate it. And so I'm going to go back to my installed plugins here, and Yoast SEO is down here. It's activated. If I wanted to deactivate it, I could, but I don't want to. And so that's the first step. So now what you want to do is just go to settings on Yoast SEO. Okay, you've got all these little tabs up here: dashboard, general features, your info, webmaster tools, and security. You're going to want to click this webmaster tools right here, and you could do this one of two ways. You can either click this Google Search Console, and it'll open up your webmaster tools. So you'll want to have a Google account so you can log into webmaster tools. It doesn't matter what the account is, as long as it's a Gmail or whatever your Google account is that you want to use, just use that. Or you can just come to Google and do a Google search and find it. And so you're going to land on a page. Let's see, if I go to Google here and I type in Google Webmaster Tools, you'll see this Google Search Console. And I'm already signed into my Google account, as you can see. And so you end up here, and let's just pretend I don't have this property yet, okay? So you're going to end up here, same thing as if you were to just click here. You're going to end up on a similar page. And here basically saves you a step. Instead of me typing in or going to add a property and typing in my URL for my website, for my WordPress site, by clicking this button here, Google Search Console, it's going to take you to this page. Now they've got recommended method, alternate methods, and history. You're going to want to click on alternate methods. Like I said, there's a lot of different ways you can do this, as you can see, but I'm going to show you the way that I like to do it, and it's just really, really simple to do. So what we're going to do is go to HTML tag. And so all you have to do is follow these instructions here. Copy the metadata or the meta tag below and paste it into your site's home page. It should go in the head section before the first body section. I'm going to show you what that means. So all we're going to do here is we're going to grab this, we're going to right click, copy, then we're going to go back to our WordPress site, and we're going to go to appearance and then editor. Now when you get inside the editor, you're going to see a bunch of code, a bunch of different things. So on the side here, you're going to go to header.php here on the right hand side. You'll click that, and then what you're going to do is you're going to search for head, which is it's the stuff that's within the header. And so there's head, and then there's the basically in HTML, this is saying, okay, this is the end of the head. Now, all you need to do is paste what we just did somewhere in between. Sometimes I like to paste it at the end, sometimes at the beginning. It really doesn't matter as long as it gets in there. Just to be consistent with what I do, most times, because any extra code I add to like the default, I like to put at the end. So I'll put it right before the end of this, the head part right here. So I'm just going to go here, I'm going to push enter, and I'm going to paste that line of code in there and put a space after it. You don't have to, I just like to do it just to be a little bit more organized. Then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on update file. Okay, now everything should be good. So now we come back here, and after that's done, we want to click verify below. Just follow these instructions right here. And you can probably actually click this example. See, it's saying basically go here, find head, and paste it in there. It could be anywhere. It can be at the top. It could be wherever. But so I'm going to go ahead and click on verify. And now it says it's now verified. And so that's basically all you have to do. And now it may take 24 hours or even a few days for Google to start indexing your website, but it'll be there. And so that's just one tool that you can use to get it indexed on Google through Google Webmaster Tools. And so now we come back to our plugin that we were on, which is Yoast SEO. You definitely want to use Yoast SEO. It's a good plugin. It's highly recommended by professionals out there that I've been mentored by. So you go back here, and yeah, basically you don't even have to enter anything in here. It says you could use the boxes below to verify with the different webmaster tools. If your site's already verified, you can just forget about these. So yeah, you really don't have to even paste that stuff in here. I think the other thing you can do if you wanted to make it easier is if you wanted to verify your website, let me try it one more time here. It says I'm already a verified owner, but let's say that I wanted to go and do this here. I think all I would have to do, an alternate way, rather than going and copying and pasting it into that header.php code, you could probably just take this and paste it directly into here. And so you can do it one way or the other. It really doesn't matter. But since I already did it the other way, I encourage you to do it that way too. A lot of times they say to use a plugin just in case your theme or whatever gets updated. You can do either one, but hopefully that helps you out. You might look up what to do here with Yoast SEO. It's a really good plugin. It does a lot of cool things, and of course there is a premium version. I don't currently have that right now because what I use it for is perfectly fine. So hope you got a lot out of this video, and I will look forward to seeing you on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.